Okay, so a very warm welcome to our Gulf at Cloud seminar. So I think I understand that government is actually pushing on a cloud-first strategy. So right now, if you don't want to go to the cloud, you need to write a lot of justification papers. So the tide has changed. Okay. Yes.
So, but now today we are in the era of moving things to cloud. So, next question is, can you sleep better at night?
So we have been doing this approach on building this complicated compliance module, and based on our statistics, it took around 4 hours to build out this. But
rules, regulations, compliance, standards, and policies. And when you're integrating with older systems, they might be using a different format. So how can you then communicate? How can you transform protocols or formats so they can talk to each other? It is meant to solve the problem of integrating multiple systems together as well as comply to government policies.
For example, what happens if you ask for CPF and salary information also? So you should block these kind of details. Actually inspect these type of values and block the request at gateway itself instead of sending all the way to MyInfo.
We usually put the security scan at the last tail end. Look to the left, but actually I kind of changed it to shift to the left. And she actually made a mistake in the lyrics. It's really all about the money. Why? Because for security breach, it actually costs your organization money loss. And not forgetting the tarnish in the image.
Okay, so in traditional manner deployments, right, actually log in and log out multiple times across different virtual machines. So you're toggle in, toggle out, toggle in, toggle out. So all these actions, okay, can be very tedious, can be very time consuming, okay, and most importantly, okay, it can be very error prone. With EBS, everything is run automatically at the background for you.
Algorithm follows a generic template y equals ax plus b. A model has more specific numbers. I have Iron Man and Iron Lady. They are very similar movie titles, but they are totally different movies. Iron Man is about a superhero, but Iron Lady is not about Iron Man's wife. Iron Lady is about Margaret Thatcher.
So it's simply an artificial neural network that is especially useful for image processing, image classification, image recognition. How it works is that it mimics how a human brain works.
With this, I thank you very much for spending your time here.